Drones are becoming popular and useful in various industries, including airport management, and offer many benefits for inspecting airport facilities, equipment, and operations. Types of inspections. Drones can perform a variety of inspections at airports, such as checking the surface conditions, markings, lighting, and signs of the runways and taxiways for foreign object debris. Inspect the roofs, walls, windows, and doors of the terminal and hangar buildings, as well as monitor fire safety systems, ventilation, and electrical wiring. They can also patrol the airport perimeter fence to identify breaches or intrusions, as well as monitor access points, gates, and vehicles. Furthermore, drones can survey wildlife habitats and populations around the airport to assess potential risks of bird strikes or other wildlife hazards. Additionally, they can measure the noise, air quality, and water quality impacts of the airport operations. Advantages of drones. Using drones for airport inspections can provide several advantages, such as saving time and money, improving accuracy and quality, and enhancing safety and security. Drones can inspect large areas and hard-to-reach places faster and cheaper than human inspectors or vehicles, while capturing high-resolution images, videos, and data that can be analyzed and stored digitally. They can also reduce the need for runway closures or disruptions to the airport operations, reduce the exposure of human inspectors to hazards, and improve the detection and response to security threats or incidents. Using drones for airport inspections presents several challenges, from regulatory and legal issues to operational and technical ones. For example, drones must comply with aviation rules and regulations, coordinate with air traffic control, and have reliable systems. Additionally, they must be operated by trained and qualified pilots and inspectors who can follow standard procedures and protocols, as well as have the support of airport management and staff who can integrate them into operations. All of this must also take into consideration the privacy and property rights of airport neighbors and stakeholders. Best practices and tips. Using drones for airport inspections can be effective and efficient, but it requires careful planning and coordination. Before using drones, one should conduct a risk assessment, define the objectives and scope of the inspection, select the appropriate drone model and equipment, and obtain the required permissions and approvals. During the inspection, one should follow the flight plan and the inspection checklist, communicate with the air traffic control and airport staff, while monitoring the drone's performance and status. Afterward, download and review the images, videos, and data collected by the drone. Generate a report, share it with relevant parties, be mindful of GDPR requirements, provide recommendations for improvement, and offer feedback. Sasanka da Silva Creation